Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm going to show you my application. If you go to my website, you could see my subscriptions for my Discord, which is a private Discord, and you have also my Airdrop application. So in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how my app works. We just launched some new updates on my app for editing tasks. So I'm going to go step by step on how my application works. I'm going to show you the flow and everything, and why my application is right now one of the best tools that you could have as an airdrop hunter. We are going to see how you can add the airdrops that I cover, but also your custom airdrops. If you are using other sources for your airdrops, you are going to be able to add them into the app. So in this video you are going to see exactly what you are going to pay if you subscribe to my application subscription, how my app is going to help you, and why it's one of the best tools in the market. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, if you are seeing this video, probably you are already a subscriber of the channel. If not, watch it until the end, because this could be a tool that you have been looking for if you are doing airdrops. And in this video I'm going to cover exactly how my app works step by step, and with the new updates that we just launched on September. And I'm going to tell you exactly why this is a very good tool if you are starting to get into the airdrop world, or if you are already there and try to farm airdrops. This tool is going to help you a lot. And I'm going to tell you the next things that we want to add into the app, so you are aware of that. So the way that my app works is really easy. You basically are going to be able to create wallets. So this app helps you if you are applying with multiple wallets to the same airdrop. Let's say that you want to farm, which means that you want to do for example, the airdrop one in this case, which is Zksync, with multiple wallets. You are going to be able to do that. So in my app, you create your wallet, you add the airdrops that I already covered, or your custom airdrops from another sources, and each of these airdrops is composed by different tasks that you need to do in order to say, well, I am already okay with this airdrop, I already accomplished what I needed to do, so now I need just to wait until we get the airdrop distribution. So we have wallets, we have airdrops, and we have tasks. And from airdrops, you have the airdrops that I cover and I post in the app, but you also have your custom airdrops, so you can add from another sources. The same with the task. You will have by default the task for my airdrops, so you can apply directly and easily to all those tasks, but you also can add custom tasks. Why is that? Because this task could be out of date after some time, so you can just create a new task that you need to do in order to keep alive that airdrop application. Those tasks are very similar of what I have here in my videos. So if you go to my video section, you know that I do step by steps. For example, for my last video for starknet strategy, you go down here and you can see each of these steps. These steps are basically what I use to create the task for my airdrops. So these are going to be fine at the moment that you see the airdrop, but after some time, maybe one of these tasks is outdated and you need to create new tasks. So my app is going to help you and allow you to do that from now on. Remember, to know more about my subscriptions, go to cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. You have the information there for my private Discord and my app. Now let's go directly to the app. So from the website cryptocurrencystate.net, you go to login. If you already paid the subscription and you already received your confirmation and everything, you will be able to log in here with your username and password. Once you are logged in, you are going to see this. This is a very minimalistic application, just because I don't want anyone be confused on how to use it. That is why I think this is the best strategy. I could add images or I could add a lot of other things that will not really help you to manage this application. So on the first page, you are going to have the list of your wallets, the ability to add a wallet. You can edit a wallet, you can remove a wallet, or you can copy a wallet. These are going to be functions very useful for you if you are farming airdrops. And here in the corner you have different icons that will help you to navigate during the sections. And here this diskette is for save. So each time that you do changes, you can save your changes here. Remember, always be there and click the diskette to save your changes. Right now you can see is black, but when you have changes, it turns into red. So when you see it red, that means that you have changes to save. And here you can go to your wallets page and see your wallets. So according with this diagram, let's say that I want to start doing airdrops on my MetaMask on Brave. So you can go here on wallets, add new wallet, and you can put the name that you want. It could be the code, address of your wallet, or you just can put something that will indicate for you that is easy to remember. For example, MetaMask Chrome Mac. So for me, this is a very good way to know if I am managing multiple wallets. If not, if you are using only one wallet, you just can put any name that you want. So click on save. This is going to create the wallet, and you can see I already have it here. So now I can go and enter inside the wallet basically. Inside the wallet, now I can add an airdrop, and I can see the airdrops that I already have in the wallet. So at this moment it's empty, so I can click on add airdrop, and I can just click here and type an airdrop that I want. For example, Zksync. You will have all the videos that I did with the step-by-step on all the Zksync step-by-step tutorials. So if you want to do the Zksync create a token, you just click this one. You have the tips for a big airdrop, or let's do Zksync era mainnet, testnet and light. So I will click this one and I will click add airdrop. That will immediately create this, which is the name of the airdrop and how many steps that airdrop has. So you are inside in your wallet, which is the MetaMask Chrome Mac. That is the name that I put it. And I just added one of the airdrops that I want to participate and do. From here, I can quickly see the name of the airdrop and how many tasks I have. And you can see are all in red, means that I didn't do any of the tasks yet. So I can go inside the airdrop, and now I can see exactly what each task meant to be. So you can see this airdrop has 24 tasks, and if you click here, you can exactly know what is the task. First, follow on Twitter, you can follow on Discord, and then, for example, you can add Zksync era mainnet to your MetaMask. So you go to the link and you can add it. So each time that you complete a task, you just can mark it here and you are going to be done. There are two types of tasks. That is something that I didn't comment before on the diagram. You have one-time task or you have recurrent task. For example, the recurrent tasks are the ones that have this icon. I put it this new. This was a requirement from one of the users. So you immediately know that task 6 is a requirement task. In this case, this task is to check the ecosystem and use and do transactions, mint NFTs on Era mainnet. So you have many places to go and swap. This is basically that I am telling you that the task 6, you are going to need to do it more than one time. Which means to make the Zksync airdrop, you need to have your wallet alive. So doing swaps, mint NFTs is going to help you to do that. So let's say that I am doing this task on the 6th of September. So I click it one time, then I come back on the 8th of September, I click it another time. So you can see now it's 2 times marked. And if I go to the present date, 14th of September, you can see this task already has been done 2 times and I still can do it today. So I will mark it and now it's the 3rd time. Now, let's say that the 12th of September, I did the tasks 2 and 3, which are a one-time task. Now, if I am in the present day, you can see these tasks are already done before. And if you hover, you can see the date where you did it. So you hover on done, you can see the date. And this has a checkbox because I did it today. And here, if you click this 3 number, you can see the dates where you did this task before. So basically, with this grid, you can see and complete all your tasks during a period of time of the different airdrops. So let's say that today I complete many of the one-time tasks and I did one of the recurrent tasks again. So after that, I can click here. You can see it's red now, the diskette. So you can click and save that. That is going to save the information of your airdrop. Now I will go to this icon, which is the airdrops icon inside the wallet. So I click there and you can see now that my Zksync era mainnet testnet is in progress. So I have green task that I already completed, red task that I completed. When you complete a recurrent task, it's going to see it green, but after 1 week, it's going to change the color into yellow and then into brown. So that means that you need to do it again. All the recurrent tasks are meant to be done at least 1 per week. You can do it 1 per 2 weeks, but the recommendation, if you can, is 1 per week. So even if right now a recurrent task is in green, if you come back in 2 weeks, you are going to see it again in yellow or in brown, telling you that you need to do it again. So let's add a couple of another airdrops from my website. Omni Network, Ambit Finance, Layer 0. Of course, you can type the name of an airdrop if you already know it, and you can select multiple airdrops to add into your portal. So here I will save this. And now in this wallet, the MetaMask from Mac, I have already these airdrops added, and I have one in progress where I show you already how to keep your progress and add your progress here. Now the new functionality added is that you can add tasks now. So let's say that for Omni, these 15 tasks are already all done, but over time we saw that Omni Network launches more stuff and we want to do those tasks. So you just click on add task. You can complete the task description and you can just put a link here. And here you can say this is a one-time task, or if it's a recurrent task, you need to uncheck the button. So I click on add task. This is going to save successfully the task, and because I leave it as a recurrent, you can see now it says custom 16. This is the way that you know the difference between the task that I did by default for this airdrop and your custom tasks that are down here. And it works similar to other tasks, so you can go here and check the task completely, the name and the link. You can also see that it's a recurrent task, so each time that I click, you can see that the activity started today and we already did it one time today. And you also have here the option to edit this custom task, or you can remove this task. Remember that removing the task will delete the recorded activity for our wallets. And this is very important because each time that you add a custom task, it's going to add it into this airdrop in all your wallets at once. Because normally if you are doing farming and you add a new task, you want to do it in all your wallets in the same airdrop in all your wallets. So adding your custom task is going to impact all the wallets that have the same airdrop in progress or already added. So here you can add your custom task, edit your custom task, remove your custom tags from the airdrops that the application bring you already. And remember, you can add comments so you don't forget anything about the airdrop that you are doing. So let's say that I want to add this comment, so it's already been saved here. Tomorrow you are going to see the list here of your comments if you just want to have some note about what you are doing. So from here you can save everything, and now you go back to the airdrops and you can see the progress on your airdrops, and you can see that now you have your custom task here, which is the task 16. So until here guys, this is pretty much the basic usage of the application. Now let's go and create custom airdrops, because like I say, all these add airdrops, the ones that appear here by default, are the ones that I covered it in my YouTube channel and I put in the application. I always try to clean it up, so I try to go and see if these airdrops are still valid. So usually it's not 100% guarantee guys. Usually the airdrops that you see here are still valid to do, but of course do your own research on each of these. And if you have doubts, for example, if you want to do Nansen, you can add it into your wallet, and here you have the task. But don't forget that you can go to my website and search for Nansen, and you can click the video and see my video if you need some help on the step-by-step of this task. So my videos are great support for all this application, and of course the subscription to my private Discord completes all this picture. Now let's go to the custom airdrops. This pencil here is the custom airdrop section. You can see your custom airdrops here. Each time that you create a custom airdrop, you are going to be able to add it on your airdrop page. When you click add airdrop, it's going to appear there. So let's say that I want to create a new custom airdrop, and it's because I saw it here on another website. So Verida, this is a new airdrop. It's not covered by me on my YouTube channel. It's not in the application, so I want to add it as a custom airdrop. I will put Verida as a custom airdrop, and then you can just go and copy all the steps that you have here from the other sources. So I will put that here, and then you can put the link if you have. Then you can go and copy this for the second task. So you will put the link here, you will put if it's one time. Here you have your first task added, this is your second task added, and so far you have only 2 tasks, but you can complete all the tasks that you want for that airdrop. It's a custom airdrop, so you can add your custom airdrop, and after you are happy with the name of your custom airdrop and the task that you added, you just click here on add custom airdrop. Now this is saved, your custom airdrop is saved. If you go again to your custom airdrops, you can see Verida down here. You can of course remove your custom airdrops after some time if the airdrop already passed it, so you don't get garbage there. Now let's go to the airdrops page, and I want to be inside this wallet, and I want to add that airdrop. So I go here and I search for Verida. And you can see Verida now is available here, and because I only put 2 tasks, you can see Verida has only 2 tasks to do, and you can see I can do one of them now and register my progress, and if I want I can add a new task that it would say check new swap app and link to swap app. I can add this task, and it's going to be a 3rd task here on your custom airdrops. Because this is your custom airdrop, the name is only task, because all your tasks here are custom. The only difference between the default airdrops and your custom airdrops is that just to differentiate them, in the default airdrops say task until you add your task that will be a custom task. But for your custom airdrops, all are going to be just tasks. I hope that is not confusing, but that will help you also to know if you are in your custom airdrop or not. So from here you can save the information that you have from now. Everything is saved correctly. And now let's say that I want to go back to all my wallets. And from here again you can create more wallets. Go to different wallets. You can see the progress that I have here on this testnet user. But I have some custom airdrops here. Some airdrops by default from the app that all the time we are adding new airdrops there as soon as we launch a video. And from here you can see your custom airdrops that are cross application, and you can add these custom airdrops to any of your wallets, and the same with the airdrops. So I will go back to the new MetaMask that I created, and again here you have your airdrops with your custom airdrops too. Verida is your custom airdrops and the new task that you added. And again you can add new task, and you can edit the task already if you want, and you can remove tasks. For example, if I remove this, it's going to affect not only this wallet but any wallet that has been using that custom airdrop. And just to finalize, let's say that I want to use a new wallet. I have the option to copy the wallet from here to another, so I will create a new wallet here. Let's say this is MetaMask Firefox and it's in my Dell notebook, so I will create this wallet. And like you know, this wallet is empty. I didn't put any airdrop here, but I want to use the same airdrops and do the same that we have done just so far here on the new MetaMask Chrome Mac. So what you can do is just go to the MetaMask Chrome Mac, click this button, and here you can select the airdrops that you want to copy and select the wallets that are the destination wallets. And you can transfer only the airdrops, or you can transfer the airdrops with the activity that you already have too, and you can transfer the comments too. So let's say that I want to transfer all the airdrops that I did on that MetaMask wallet into the new wallet, but without any activity and without any comments. So I will click that, select all, then I will select the wallet destination. In this case, I want to send everything only to the MetaMask Firefox Dell. And I don't want to copy all the activity of the task that I already did or not, because I am starting fresh on that wallet. So I will not transfer the comments neither, but you want to do that in some cases, so that is why you have the option. And I will click on confirm. So this is going to take just 1 minute, and then you can go to your new wallet that you created, MetaMask Firefox Dell, enter there, and you can see you have all the airdrops that you have it in the previous wallet. Now you have it here, including your custom airdrops and the tasks that you have on the other airdrops too. You can see it here on Omni, for example, the custom airdrop, the custom task 16. So guys, that is how my app works. We just added the options to add, remove and edit all the tasks on your custom and in the default airdrops. That will help you to keep a better track on your progress on your airdrops. And this application is something that I personally use for my airdrops. I think it's a great tool. Other people use Excel files. I think you will end up very chaotic following all your progress there. And this subscription is very cheap. So with this, you can see I have here 9 wallets where I could track very easily all the progress on all the airdrops that I am doing, what I have pending, and what I still need to do with my recursive or recurrent task. So each time that I enter here, if I see something here yellow or brown, that means that already passed a lot of time and I need that recurrent task. For Zksync, for example, or starknet, that we probably will get the airdrop on Q1 of the next year, it's going to help you a lot because it's going to help you to keep your wallets alive for your airdrops. Well guys, that is all for this coverage. This is how my app works right now. And let me comment some things that we want to do for the further updates. First, we are open to all your comments in my Discord. So the users that have my Discord and my application, they have a channel where they can comment or ask me anything about the app. So we have a specific channel in my Discord for that. So all the feedback that I receive from the app, I try to apply it. And I have been doing that. These new updates are because it was necessary for people to keep updated the different airdrops. Now I am working in something very special. I want to get some notifications here, a notification system that when you enter into the app, you get notified what airdrops you still need to do the recursive task, or what airdrops need to have your attention to do more tasks or not. And also we may want to send that information by email. So maybe you are not in the application logged in the app all the time. So maybe a reminder email of your pending task, it could be a very good idea. Also, we could implement that you get the information of your comments, not only your pending task or the recurring task that you need to do again, but also a comment that you want to be a reminder. You will be able to click here, some kind of UI, and be notified about this comment or reminder that you put, or the task that you still have pending on the different airdrops. All that kind of system of notifications, I think it's going to be great for you because you will not be logging on the app all the time. And we have many other surprises for this app we are building. And to finalize the video, guys, you may be wondering when we are going to get more big airdrops like Arbitrum. Guys, this is a game of patience. We are going to be rewarded for all the work that we do. And many people is giving up on airdrops right now. And if you stand up and you continue with me this journey, I assure you that you are going to be rewarded big time. Guys, that is all for this video. Remember to check the subscriptions at cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. The monthly subscription of the Discord guy right now is $10, really cheap. With the app for 1 month is $20. If you want the annual subscription, it's $100 for both things, or $50 for the Discord only. The subscriptions are really cheap for all the material and all the help that you get. I am available on the Discord, of course. I answer as much as I can. You can tag me. I will always read your message and respond you. So guys, that will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this app as much as I am doing it. I think the new changes are going to be really cool for keep track of all the progress on our airdrops. And if you have any doubts, don't hesitate on contact me. You go to the contact section and complete this. I will be notified about that. That will be all, guys. Remember to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.